And police are getting a helping hand from some new technology. Departments across the country are incorporating drones to help catch criminals and protect officer safety. Douglas Kennedy has the story.
Yeah, new technology is transforming the way police police and protecting officers in the Hamptons from danger. So you've got some domestic violence situation or some other volatile situation. You can now send in this drone and keep your people out of harm's way.
Right. This has been a game changer for officer safety.
James Kiernan is the chief of police in Southampton, New York. Recently, he started a drone program that allows his officers to see what they're facing before they face it, including on rooftops, wooded areas, and the backyards of this wealthy enclave that sees its population swell tenfold in July and August. So the drone gives you the ability to cover all this ground with all these people that you have coming here in the summer.
Right. Keeping everybody safe is a priority for us. And our officers commonly respond to calls for service maybe with 1 or 2 officers. So we need some backup. This drone provides the intelligence to keep our officers safe.
Exactly why police departments across the country are speeding with sirens blaring toward drone technology, and with great effect, including California cops catching this alleged car thief on drone camera. A cop drone in Colorado keeping its eye on an alleged motorcycle thief, who was then quickly apprehended, and a Florida sheriff drone chasing down an alleged retail robber hiding in a sewer drain until uniformed officers could arrest him. Here in Southampton, they also have this drone, which can fly inside homes, meaning they can cover inside and outside the entire Obviously, you can see things now that you were never able to see before. That is scaring some privacy advocates.
Yeah, our pilots know where the limits are, where the lines are, and they stick with public information, and they stick where no warrants are required.
Safekeeping privacy while also keeping his officers safe. Back to you guys.